Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix blur fonts and not clear fonts problem in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, press on your Windows key, then type here adjust clear typing text, then click on next, click on next, click on next, again click on next, again click on next. After that, click on finish, again press on Windows key, then type here adjust the appearance, click here to select adjust for best appearance, click on apply, click on OK, then go to the run command, type here regedit, click on OK, click on S, HKEY current user, double click on control panel, then double click on desktop. In this users Win80, you can see here Win80, right click on Win80, click on modify, type here 0 value data, then click on OK, right click and click on new, click on value, then type here log pixel, hit enter, then close it. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.